what sort of batteries these two keys have. So in this video I am going to be attempting to find out what sort of batteries these two keys have. So in my opinion, change them before they run out. Change also your spare keys, because normally they come in pairs. I've got a pair of these and a pair of them. So on this one I don't see any screws anywhere. An obvious place to pry, just here and here. Try a smaller screwdriver. So these would be the normal electrical ones. Okay, look, normal electrical screwdriver, which is not one of these, the ones with the see-through plastic and looks like it's got a fuse in it. Insert it in there as I twist. As I twist this, opens up a bit like a clam, and it might be handy to use something like this. So this is a time when you want more than one pair of hands helping. It's in there. Okay, that really did help. That little movement there cracked it open. Okay, I wouldn't touch anything here. Right, so take note. Not the flat side is on top. The bud is on top. The bumpy side is on top. What I mean by it's got that ridge. You can just see this. That is the way your new battery should go in. So let's have a look. Let's try and dig this out using a bit of plastic. Okay, just in there. So that's the way it goes in, and it says it's got a positive there, plus, and there's your plus there on this side. 3 volt, even I can see that without glasses. 2032 CR2032, and it's a 3 volt. On the Ford CR2030, I'm hoping it's the same one on the Honda. Right, let's have a look. Never opened this up before. I may have done the Ford before, I've just forgotten about it, but never done the Honda. That's why the voltage is. Try it with plastic first. Oh, that was a lot easier. It just came apart. Now it's kind of catching. Like it don't want to come apart. It could be one of these where you slide it forward and a little bit for it to come out. So slide it forward, slide it back, slide forward, slide it back. Okay, go right round, and that came off. That's not what I was expecting. So very different from the Ford. That's very different. Pulled it that way. The details of my. So very advisable not to do this unless it's on the table. That came out. That is not a CR2030. This is a very different one. Just a note, we've got a negative end up first again. I'm not touching anything here. Let me get a small. Let's try and get prizing this out. I will need. Let's have a look. Must have the equivalent metal bit on that side. So I'll pried it here. Nope. Okay, just on there. So these tools are quite handy. 616, 3 volts. CR1616. Okay. So let's get that written down. So for the Honda, or this type of key, CR1616, 3 volts, so they're both 3 volts. So 3 volts means hopefully more than 3 volts. And if it, these are the 2 batteries you need for these 2 type of keys. Link in the description for the tools I've been using, especially this. That's it for this video. Hope you found that helpful.